If you're struggling to stay in ketosis, feeling stuck, or not seeing fat loss despite eating low carb, the issue may not be calories. It may be hidden carbs silently kicking you out of ketosis. When most people hear the word ketosis, they imagine starvation, extreme dieting, or willpower so strong it borders on punishment. But the truth is far more unsettling and far more empowering because ketosis is not triggered by suffering. It is triggered by biology, and biology responds fastest not to calories, but to carbohydrates. The moment carbohydrates enter your body, your blood sugar rises, and with it rises insulin, a powerful storage hormone whose single job is to shut down fat burning. This is not theory, this is basic human physiology, proven again and again in metabolic research. As long as insulin is elevated, your body is locked in storage mode, no matter how little you eat, no matter how hard you exercise, and no matter how desperately you want fat loss to happen. This is why people can eat less and less, yet gain more and more weight, because insulin has quietly taken control. Now here is the shocking part. The fastest way to drop insulin is not by eating less, but by eating zero carbohydrates. When you remove carbs entirely, insulin falls rapidly, sometimes within hours, and when insulin falls, the body has no choice but to switch fuels. It turns away from sugar because sugar is no longer available, and it turns toward fat, the largest energy reserve you have. This switch is called ketosis, and it is not rare or unnatural. It is a built-in survival mechanism that allowed humans to live through long winters, famines, and food scarcity. Modern science confirms this again and again. Studies show that even small amounts of carbohydrates can suppress ketone production, while zero-carb intake allows ketones to rise quickly and consistently. This is why people who eat low-carb often struggle, while people who eliminate carbs entirely feel a dramatic shift in energy, hunger, and mental clarity. Zero-carb foods do something profound. They remove metabolic confusion. There is no mixed signal to the body. No sugar coming in means no reason to keep insulin high, and without insulin blocking the process, fat cells finally open and release stored energy. This is when ketosis becomes effortless, not forced. Hunger begins to fade, not because of willpower, but because ketones themselves suppress appetite by acting directly on the brain. Research shows ketones reduce ghrelin, the hunger hormone, while increasing satiety signals like cholecystokinin. In simple terms, when ketosis is strong, you stop fighting food thoughts all day. Another critical and often ignored fact is that zero-carb foods stabilize blood sugar to an extraordinary degree. Blood sugar spikes and crashes are one of the primary drivers of fatigue, cravings, anxiety, and overeating. When carbs are removed, blood sugar flattens and the nervous system calms down. This is why people in deep ketosis often report steady energy from morning to night without caffeine, without snacks, without crashes. And here's where the science becomes almost uncomfortable for conventional nutrition advice. Protein and fat, when eaten without carbs, do not significantly raise insulin. This means you can eat until satisfied, nourish your body deeply, and still remain in fat-burning mode. Studies on ketogenic and carnivore-style diets consistently show improved insulin sensitivity, meaning the body becomes better at using its own fuel instead of demanding more food. This is not about restriction. It is about metabolic alignment. Zero-carb foods also reduce inflammation, which is one of the hidden barriers to fat loss. Chronic inflammation interferes with insulin signaling and damages mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside your cells. When inflammation is high, fat burning is inefficient. Zero-carb diets naturally eliminate inflammatory foods like refined grains, sugars, and seed oils, allowing the body to heal. Research has shown reductions in inflammatory markers such as CRP in people following very low or zero-carb diets. As inflammation drops, metabolic flexibility improves, and ketosis becomes easier to enter and easier to maintain. Another shocking truth is that the liver, the organ responsible for producing ketones, works best when it is not overloaded with sugar. Excess carbohydrates are converted into fat in the liver through a process called de novo lipogenesis, leading to fatty liver disease even in people who are not overweight. Zero-carb foods remove this burden entirely. The liver is finally free to do what it evolved to do, convert fat into clean-burning ketones. This is why many people experience mental clarity and improved focus in ketosis, because ketones are a more efficient fuel for the brain than glucose. Neuroscience research has shown that ketones produce fewer reactive oxygen species, meaning less oxidative stress in brain cells. In other words, ketosis is not just a fat-burning state, it is a brain-protective state. And perhaps the most powerful and least discussed effect of zero-carb foods is metabolic honesty. There is no hiding from the truth when carbs are gone. Either your body burns fat or it runs out of fuel. There is no middle ground, no constant snacking, no sugar drip feeding the system. This is why zero-carb eating forces ketosis quickly and reliably. It removes the safety net of glucose and compels the body to adapt. Within days, sometimes within 48 hours, ketone levels rise, hunger drops, and energy stabilizes. This rapid shift is not dangerous. It is what the human body was designed to do. The danger is remaining in a constant glucose-burning state while surrounded by endless food, because that is how insulin resistance, obesity, and metabolic disease quietly develop over years. Zero-carb foods cut through the noise. They send a clear, undeniable signal to the body. Sugar is gone, insulin can rest, and fat must be burned. And when that signal is strong and consistent, ketosis is no longer something you chase, measure, or struggle for. It simply happens. Effortlessly. Automatically. As a natural consequence of giving your body the one thing it needs to do its job. A complete break from carbohydrates. For decades, people have been taught a dangerous lie, that fat loss is about eating less, moving more, and constantly fighting hunger. But biology tells a very different story, one that modern science is only now fully exposing. The human body was never designed to count calories. It was designed to respond to hormones, and the most powerful hormone controlling fat storage and fat burning is insulin. When insulin is high, fat is locked away. When insulin is low, fat becomes accessible. This is why eating less often fails, because calorie restriction without hormonal control triggers stress responses, slows metabolism, and increases hunger hormones like ghrelin. Research shows that chronic calorie restriction raises cortisol, a stress hormone that actually promotes fat storage, especially around the abdomen. In other words, the harder people try to eat less, the more their body fights back. This is where the real secret emerges. Ketosis is not achieved by deprivation. It is achieved by feeding the body correctly. When the body is fueled with the right fats and proteins, insulin drops naturally, hunger signals calm down, and fat loss becomes a side effect, not a struggle. Studies on ketogenic diets consistently show reduced hunger even when calories are not intentionally restricted, because fat and protein activate powerful satiety hormones like peptide YY and cholecystokinin. This is why people in ketosis often forget to eat, not because they are disciplined, but because their brain no longer senses an energy emergency. Fat is the most stable fuel source available to humans. Each gram provides more than twice the energy of carbohydrates, and when consumed without carbs, it does not spike blood sugar or insulin. This creates metabolic stability, something modern diets have completely destroyed. Blood sugar swings are not just uncomfortable, they are metabolically destructive. Every spike followed by a crash trains the body to crave more food, more frequently, leading to constant eating and chronic insulin elevation. When the body is fueled primarily by fat, blood sugar remains steady, sometimes varying by only a few points throughout the entire day. This stability signals safety to the brain, reducing stress hormones and allowing fat-burning pathways to stay active. Protein plays an equally critical role. Contrary to outdated myths, adequate protein does not kick you out of ketosis when carbs are absent. In fact, protein preserves muscle mass, supports metabolic rate, and prevents the metabolic slowdown seen in calorie-restricted diets. Research shows that loss of muscle mass is one of the biggest predictors of long-term weight regain, yet low-calorie diets almost guarantee muscle loss. Ketogenic diets rich in protein protect lean tissue while allowing fat mass to drop, preserving metabolic health instead of destroying it. This is why people who eat correctly on keto often look leaner and stronger, not smaller and weaker. Another shocking truth is that the body does not burn fat efficiently when it feels threatened. Starvation signals activate survival mechanisms that prioritize energy conservation. Thyroid hormone conversion slows, resting metabolic rate drops, and the body becomes more efficient at storing fat from even small amounts of food. This has been documented repeatedly in long-term calorie restriction studies, including famous starvation experiments that showed metabolic suppression lasting years after dieting ended. Ketosis fueled by fat and protein does the opposite. It signals abundance, not scarcity. The body senses that energy is available in the bloodstream at all times, so it does not need to slow down. In fact, fat oxidation increases and mitochondria become more efficient at producing energy. Ketones themselves act as signaling molecules, activating genes involved in longevity, stress resistance, and metabolic efficiency. Research has shown that ketones increase mitochondrial biogenesis, meaning the body actually creates more energy-producing structures when fat is the primary fuel. This is the opposite of what happens during calorie restriction. Perhaps the most misunderstood aspect of fat loss is willpower. People blame themselves for failure, believing they are weak, when in reality they are fighting their own hormones every waking moment. Hunger is not a character flaw, it is a biological signal. Ketosis silences that signal at the source. By lowering insulin and stabilizing blood sugar, the brain no longer screams for quick energy. This is why fat loss becomes sustainable for the first time. There is no constant negotiation with food, no white-knuckling through the day, no obsession with the next meal. This is not magic, it is neurochemistry. Ketones cross the blood-brain barrier and provide a steady fuel source for neurons, reducing the brain's dependence on glucose and lowering the urgency to eat. Clinical research has even shown ketogenic diets to be beneficial in neurological conditions for this very reason, highlighting how powerful ketone metabolism truly is. Another uncomfortable fact is that modern diets starve the body of essential nutrients while overfeeding it calories. Processed foods deliver energy without nourishment, leading to cellular hunger even in the presence of excess body fat. This creates a vicious cycle of overeating without satisfaction. Whole, zero-carb, and low-carb animal-based foods are among the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth, providing bioavailable vitamins, minerals, and amino acids required for metabolic function. When the body finally receives what it needs, cravings fade because they were never about pleasure, they were about deficiency. And finally, there is the long-term truth that cannot be ignored. Fat loss that relies on eating less will almost always reverse because the body remembers starvation. Fat loss that comes from hormonal balance does not require constant effort because the body is working with you, not against you. Ketosis, fueled by the right fats and proteins, restores the body's natural ability to regulate appetite, energy, and fat storage automatically. This is why people who stop chasing calories and start fueling correctly experience something that once felt impossible: freedom. Freedom from hunger, freedom from obsession, and freedom from the endless cycle of dieting and failure. Fat loss in this state is no longer an act of control. It is a biological consequence of finally giving the body the fuel it was designed to run on.